Hello and welcome to Future Cookie. I want to ask you something tonight that might just stop you in your tracks. What if the question humanity has asked forever was about to get answered? Not in a movie, not in a theory, on Mars, 140 million miles away. NASA scientists found something real. They found the ingredients for life, organic molecules. On Mars, the implications are almost too large to sit with quietly. Let me walk you through what was found. I will tell you why it matters, and I will tell you what it means for you tonight. Picture a six-wheeled robot, the size of a small car. It touches down on Mars in 2012, inside a crater called Jezero Crater. Scientists chose this place for one reason. Billions of years ago, it held a real lake. That rover's name is Curiosity. For over a decade, it has been crawling across ancient lakebed rocks, drilling into sediment, sniffing Martian air, sending data back to scientists looking for one thing: evidence that Mars was not always dead. And then it found something. The science is real. The Curiosity rover carries a laboratory inside it. It is called SAM sample analysis at Mars. SAM detected complex organic molecules. They were locked inside ancient mudstone. Thiophene, benzene, toluene. These are carbon-based compounds, the same category of molecule that forms every living thing on Earth. Now here is what scientists say clearly. Finding organic molecules does not mean finding life. These compounds can form through chemistry alone. Volcanic activity can produce them. Meteorite impacts can too. Chemical reactions in ancient water can as well. But here is what makes this genuinely significant. These molecules survived billions of years on a planet with almost no atmosphere, bombarded by radiation, frozen solid. And yet, there they were, preserved in rocks like a message from another era. The question is not just what are these molecules? The question is, how did they get there? And that question has more than one possible answer. So why does this matter to you? Because we are standing at a threshold moment in human history, not at the edge of proof, but at the edge of a trail. And trails, when followed carefully, lead somewhere. Think about what the stakes really are. If life arose independently on Mars, even ancient microbial life, billions of years ago, the universe becomes a completely different place. Life would not be a miracle that happened once by accident on one small rock. It would be a pattern, a tendency of chemistry when conditions are right. That would mean the odds of something existing out there, somewhere in a galaxy of 200 billion stars, stop being astronomical. They become almost expected. And if life never arose on Mars despite having everything it needed, that tells us something just as important. It tells us how rare the next step truly is. The step from chemistry to biology, from molecule to cell, from potential to alive. Either answer reshapes what we believe about our place in the universe. Here is what I want you to take away. NASA's Perseverance rover is on Mars right now. It is actively collecting rock samples. Those samples are sealed in small tubes sitting on the Martian surface. A joint NASA and ESA mission is being designed to bring those samples back to Earth. Current plans target the 2030. When that happens, we will have actual Martian material in laboratories right here on this planet, analyzed by instruments far more powerful than anything a rover can carry. That is when this trail either goes cold or catches fire. We are not at the finish line. We are at the very beginning of the most important scientific investigation in human history. And it is happening right now, in your lifetime, on a planet you can see with your own eyes on a clear night. The organic molecules are real. The ancient lake was real. And the question is wide open. And the answer is coming. Tonight you learned that the building blocks of life exist beyond Earth. And that changes the size of the question we are really asking. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.